If you're looking for help fixing your SunPak Gas Patio Heater, look no further. Our comprehensive SunPak Gas Patio Heater repair guide will explain common issues, provide tips, and maybe show you how to repair your appliance. For the home, kitchen, and beyond, SunPak manufactures appliances that homeowners have come to trust. Even a trustworthy appliance requires occasional maintenance or repair. However, if you're in need of SunPak appliance repair from experienced professionals, your local appliance helper can help. Patio heater not igniting. As with igniting concerns, you should first see whether you are getting a spark on the head of the igniter. If yes, then see whether the pilot light is burning. If it is not lit, then check for blockages if any. Remove the emitter and manually light the pilot light. Don't forget to hold the control knob in the pilot position as you do that. If this isn't working, then while still holding the control knob, warm up the thermocouple for 30 seconds approximately and then move the control knob to low flame and try lighting the main burner. When it gets light, turn it to full say for 5 minutes. Doing so will go out or burn off dust blockage caused and it should work fine. If it persists, then you will have to remove the hose from the end of the unit, while also taking off the control unit from the top pole. The control knob should be pushed into the pilot position. As you hold it down, blow air up the pipe where the hose was joined. This will take out dirt and debris buildup blocking the pilot light and allowing the gas to flow. On the other hand, if you are not getting a spark, then the igniter might have moved in transit. If this is the case, then you should remove the emitter, which will expose the ignition system. Without touching it, move the electrode closer to the spark guard. If still, you don't get a spark, then replacement is the only choice. Freezing of regulator. One of the difficult problems inflicting a regulator to freeze up is due to liquid propane entering and passing through the control device. In that event, you will have to ensure that cylinders and tanks are located and positioned as designed for use, such that it is kept out of the regulator and downstream appliances designed to work with propane vapor. Considering that this is quite complex, unfortunately, these conditions cannot always be brought about. It is imperative to seek professional advice when it comes to a regulator freeze up and knows the circumstance and steps to prevent them. Low flame burner, low gas pressure, bent or kinked supply hose, or blockage in the orifice or pilot tube may be the causes of low flame. In this case, you need to turn off the cylinder valve and replace them. Straighten the hose. Check for bugs and spiders inside the pilot assembly valve. Venturi tube, burner ports and remove them. Sometimes, if the outdoor temperature is less than 40 degrees Fahrenheit and the tank is less than 1.4 full, then the chances for the low flame is high. In this case, you need to use a full cylinder. Gas level. As with other gas appliances, one obvious reason they fail to work is that there's no gas. Look toward the base of the heater and take out the gas cylinder. If it's light in weight, it may be empty, and you should replace it with a full one, even if you discover that there was still a small amount of gasoline left in the removed container. A replacement is likely necessary anyway. A minimal amount of gas is required at all times just to create enough pressure to drive the gas burner. That little leftover gas may not have been enough. Gas delivery. With a full cylinder in place, turn on the gas, and listen at the burner attempting to hear the sound of the gas arriving. If the patio heater has an electronic ignition system, make sure that there is a spark. If there is a spark but the heater will not light up, try using a lighter or burning spill to light the gas. If you still can't get it to light, verify the following parts are in working order so you can be sure the gas is making it to the burner. If it does eventually ignite, stand back as there may be a flashover. This is especially likely if you have been trying to light the gas for a while, since there might be a small cloud of gas near the burner. Clean the burner. Disassemble the burner and check for any blockages. Also, check that the burner apertures are set correctly. Beneath each burner is a small chamber in which air and gas are mixed. Make sure all that the gas and air inlets are clear. If you discover any blockages or buildup, clean the burner to remove these obstructions. When cleaning the burner, make sure the gas is turned off. Remove the gaslight mantle, and run pipe cleaners through the burner holes.